Welcome on board for our new dive site discovery. I take you around the rock lost in the middle of the sea not far from Malapascua. Its name is Gato Island. We start the dive by visiting a tunnel. Saying hi to us are the shrimps. They come in different sizes. Some are small, medium, and others are very large. Well, we can call them lobsters. Yet, a terrible predator is hiding somewhere. Though it isn't the most dangerous. The white-tips reef shark. These reef sharks come to rest at the exit of the tunnel to take advantage of the current entering their gills, to be able to breathe without having to move. Unfortunately, the tunnel is so small, so we have to pass by them and at the same time enjoy their show for a few moments before we continue our way. Then, as we fall a few meters further down, we get to meet our second predator, even more dangerous than the shark. It's the blue-ringed octopus. You don't want to mess with it? As we all know, one mighty bite is very lethal. This dive site is very famous for the macro several sea slugs and moody brunch, and everybody's favorite, the seahorses. At night, everything becomes different. The Spanish dancers go out and the other predators start hunting, like the squids and the cuttlefishes. Yet, there couldn't be any species more excited to feed during the night, other than the bamboo sharks and the cat sharks. They are looking for their next meal. That is the million crabs hiding everywhere in the place.